I'd say they're in like their own unique tier, to be honest. I'm trying to think of like a comparison even. Michigan State? I'd say Michigan State's even slightly ahead of them though. Oh cool, I just lagged out. Turn me up.
You just lagged out?
Yeah, disconnected.
Can you reconnect? I've never been disconnected in this game before. I can't leave this game. I have my top tier. Oh, okay, thank God. I was like, I have my top tier economic bonuses, so you gotta wait like 20 minutes. Okay. I need to really strategize here because I do need to rack up a lot of points and probably live to maximize this.
I don't remember what combat missions I have active.
Yeah, come with me to C. I need some firepower over the top of me in case I get fucked here. Oh, good. There's a nice little sub. Oh, he's above the water. I'm ripping at him. He just ducked below, but those should hit.
While anchored in Norway, Bismarck and Prince Eugen hastily repainted their striped Baltic camouflage in
Here's
Atlantic
my counterpart.
Gray. Low on fuel, Prince Eugen...
Is he coming straight at me? He's changing course quick. Hit his city. Let's go.
My secondary range, only 7.6.
Here, take out this. Is it Niesbeck? How do you pronounce that one? That's the ship I'm using right now. I don't even know how to pronounce it.
So that's a Bismarck I'm fighting. Working on a Bismarck video right now.
Hell yeah.
Oh no, I'm not winning this engagement right now. I'm taking a lot of fire from different places.
I can probably help you on the Bismarck. I'm switching my guns.
I'm taking a lot of fire from a lot of different places right now.
And, oh, how did both those torps not hit? Come on.
Oh, she's hurt.
Yeah, she's dead.
Nice. I just got a bunch of cruisers harassing me. Set me on fire. Set me on fire, little prat.
Fuck.
He tucks tailing around.
Get over. Yep. Those got over the mountain. Come on, be a big hit, big hit. Oh my God. Let's go. Need another city here. Okay. Okay, it's a good start. It's a good start. I really want to go capture B, but I know it's just gonna get me blown up. I gotta wait. God, I could be mobbing over here with these boys. I come save your ass.
I'm just stuck in a horrible position right now. I don't think I can even get turned out of here.
Those hit? Nah, it didn't hit. Oh, we got Deutschland coming up.
Über alles.
A lot of German ships in this battle. A lot of German ships.
Fight the German way. That's what they say.
Holy fuck, this battle's gonna end quick, dude. We're about to get victory. This other team is ass. Those should make it. No, they didn't hit. Who
got
did?
a lot of battleships just sitting a little back.
Yeah, I'm going after this Deutschland, North Carolina with the squad.
Bruh, the Gneisenau's turning is so bad. Oh my gosh, I literally just can't get out of this area.
The ship is on fire.
Oh, that's my bad news. Take it like a man.
I'm literally just stuck.
Fuck. There's a Byron staring right at me.
This is
Spotter returning to ship.
just horrendous right now.
Okay, he's dead.
I've literally just been trapped against this island for the last 5 minutes.
How do I get an over penetration versus a battleship? With saps too.
Can time out.
I got triple over penetration. Oh, this Nagato is dead.
I was just
Don't
not
mind if
moving at
I
all. I shot
do.
way ahead of him. No, he's
No!
dead.
Oh my god. Somebody else got him. Wanted that one. Oh, can I get this torp off? Oh no, there's too much. Oh, I already used those ones. Shit. This is a bad idea. It's a bad idea. I got 30 seconds till torps.
I'm coming up though.
I need a turn. I need a turn. Oh, just hit my torpedo tubes.
Our victory is in
Are
sight.
they alive? They're alive. Okay. I'm not gonna get him in time. Yeah, he's gonna go behind there.
Hold on,
Oh, I'm
sir.
running. He's about to full salvo me. Oh wait, he's going backwards? Oh my god. Ow. My torps aren't gonna get him before he dies.
I'm speeding over.
Boom.
Well, that was
Can we?
a really easy game.
Torpedoes dead ahead.
Yeah. I did decently well. I just wish I could have gotten a little more. Oh. Where's this bitch at?
Boots over there.
Torpedoes direct front. Torpedoes to port.
Oh, there's a big collision. Ouch.
Our victory is in sight.
Okay, who are we still missing on the
Torpedoes
map?
dead ahead. Torpedoes to starboard.
So that Montcalm got away kind of for a second. So we just need to find the CV and that battleship's dead over there.
There's a cruiser in that smoke over there. Come up, well, he's
Yeah,
dead.
he's dead. There's CV's gotta be
Good
somewhere
God.
over this right side. A hydroacoustic search. Where is he? Yeah, no shit. They're all over here somewhere. Oh, he's over there.
Literally every time I was looking at a ship and about to be able to pull the trigger, they just got blown up.
Oh,
Oh, there he is. No way those all missed.
Oh, I hit city. Oh, there we go, baby.
That was a horrible game, but a good game.
Holy shit, I got 700,000 credits from that.
Sheesh.